Welcome back to the channel, fam. Today is the day. Finally, after a month plus of waiting, we finally got our new setup delivered. I ordered it through Fitment Industries. My shipment was supposed to get here about like 8 days ago, but you know what matters is that we got it. It's here at home and I'm looking at it and I'm so excited to show you guys. Damn boy, look, verified by Q8 AD. But look at this bad boys. Look what we got over here, boys. Toyo boys. Toyo gang with Toyo boys officially. Look, the front ones are 255 35s 18s. So you know that, and those are some pretty big boys for the G right there. And then look at the rear ones. 295 35s 18. That's a fat boy right there. That's some meat. Guys, look, currently the G we run in the front 245s 40 19, so the rims definitely changed. They're 18s instead of 19s. And then on the back we have 275s 45s, I believe. Yep, right here, 275 40 19s actually. And those are the Continental. I had these for about 4 or 5 years now. They've been great. The front ones have worn out completely. Look how bald this tire is. I've been hydroplaning like crazy. It's official. Now we got our new set of tires and wheels. Bring the wheels inside the garage. I'm actually gonna install them over the weekend and I'll see you guys there. We're gonna go ahead, unbox our new wheels and tires, and we're gonna install them on the G35. The look of the car is completely gonna change. You guys are ready? Woo, boy! It's official. We got the Flow Forge Kansei wheels. They're beautiful. It has like the little chrome kind of polished lip, and then like this kind of like gunmetal silver. It almost matches completely the G35's G color. Now it has like little particles and everything here because it actually rained when I got my package delivery, so you know some rain got inside and everything. But I also got my wheels ceramic coated from Fitment Industries, and you know just a little rag is gonna come off and you can tell, man, the quality, wow. Check these out, fam. Oh boys, getting track ready for sure, that's for a fact. We also got a little package right here inside our first wheel. Let's see what. Ooh. There you go, boys. Look at that. And this will complete the look of our setup. Definitely lighter than the ones I have on now. They come balanced, ceramic coated, ready to roll from fitmentindustries.com. You know, we got Toyo tires. We also got this ceramic coat refresh spray. Also got our premier package, you know, certified, make sure everything was inspected, everything that we got, quality control. We got a little cool thank you letter. Damn, you guys see that? Sheesh. Look at that fitment. Yeah, we just gotta get a little alignment, but wow. Looks like we have a problem. When I ordered these wheels, I specifically put that had the big Brembo kit that this was gonna clear. We have a little problem. As you guys can see, my original Infinity wheel and tire is on my G right now, not the new wheels. The rears, the fitment is perfect. Looks amazing, nice. The problem with the front is that the wheel is hitting Brembo brakes. As you guys can see right here, I was trying to make wheels turn and they were stuck. And once I was able to finally make a move, they scraped the big brakes, so they're not fitting. All we need is a super slim wheel spacer. We're gonna go ahead, head to an auto parts store, buy like the smallest spacer they have, because honestly, that's how much we need. We need literally like 0.1 millimeter to clear the big brakes. Okay, boys, we're back from auto parts, and we picked out 5/16 thick spacers. This should be just enough for a Kaisen wheel to clear the Brembo brakes. I definitely think that should be enough. See, look, it was barely scraping on it. Let me get some light in there. You guys can see the paint from the actual Brembo brakes. It scraped a little bit of the wheel as well, but all right, should be good. we finally finished installing our new setup. I love how the rear is looking. The rear, amazing. The front looks really good, but it definitely needs to be lower. Got 4 fingers. Definitely a big change from the 19s, but the back actually, it's only 3. It's about the same. It's actually pretty good. I'm really happy about the back. The front looks really good too, but like I said, we're definitely gonna need to get either bags or coilovers and drop it a little bit, because 4 fingers. We're in monster truck territory right now. You know, this actually took more time than I was planning. It's already like 5 p.m. Like alignment, like tire shops are closed by now. I'm gonna hit up 2 that I know that might be still open and check out if they can do an alignment for my car. If we don't get an alignment, you know, it's not the worst thing in the world right now, but I do want to get it so, you know, we can have even wear. Boys, literally this is the 3rd shirt I changed today. Man, I was sweating bullets out there. God, it's so hot over here in Georgia. Anyways, the car is looking nice. Just from the rear, I can tell the car hooks finally sticking to the ground, especially with all the white line polyurethane bushings that we put on the car. Well, boys, I actually went to 2 different shops and everything's closed, and they also told me my car is too low. Even though it's stock height, they told me that my car is too low because I have the Kuruma C bumper. I'm already scraping just with stock height, so you know, we'll see what we do about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, comment down below, but I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.